Hi there! In this video, we'll see some countries with their nationalities along with the use of the verb to be. Countries and nationalities. Ready for the trip? Grab your passports and follow me. Here we go. People from Morocco are Moroccan. Moroccan, like red one. People from Lebanon are Lebanese. Lebanese, like Feiruz. People from the USA are American. American, like Tom Cruise. People from Spain are Spanish. Spanish, like Rafael Nadal. People from England are English. English, like Jason Statham. People from Brazil are Brazilian. Brazilian, like Paulo Coelho. People from Canada are Canadian. Canadian, like Jim Carrey. People from China are Chinese. Chinese, like Jet Li. People from Argentina are Argentinian. Argentinian, like Diego Maradona. People from Algeria are Algerian. Algerian, like Khaled. People from Germany are German. German, like Einstein, Albert Einstein. People from Portugal are Portuguese. Portuguese, like Cristiano Ronaldo. People from India are Indian. Indian, like Shah Rukh Khan. People from Egypt are Egyptian. Egyptian, like Adil Imam. People from Russia are Russian. Russian, like Maria Sharapova. People from Switzerland are Swiss. Swiss, like Roger Federer. People from Turkey are Turkish. Turkish, like Nusrat, also known as Salt Bay. People from Australia are Australian. Australian, like Hugh Jackman. Now, let's ask some questions using the verb to be. Is Nadal Mexican? Is Nadal Mexican? No, he isn't. He is Spanish. Is Ronaldo Italian? Is Ronaldo Italian? No, he isn't. He is Portuguese. Is Shah Rukh Khan Turkish? Is Shah Rukh Khan Turkish? No, he isn't. He is Indian. Is red one Moroccan? Is red one Moroccan? Yes, he is. Morocco Moroccan, Algeria Algerian, Egypt, Egyptian, Lebanon, Lebanese, Turkey, Turkish, India, Indian, Mexico, Mexican, USA, American, England, English, Scotland, Scottish, Australia, Australian, Canada, Canadian, France, French, Spain, Spanish, Italy, Italian, Sweden, Swedish, Thailand, Thai, Japan, Japanese, Belgium, Belgian, Pakistan, Pakistani, Palestine, Palestinian, Iraq, Iraqi, Brazil, Brazilian, Argentina, Argentinian, Portugal, Portuguese, Switzerland, Swiss, Germany, German, Russia, Russian, Senegal, Senegalese. So this was the short trip around the world with Aicha. I hope you enjoyed it. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.